Get ready for the convenience of a brand new Kegerator. They're amazing devices for keeping your favorite bevs cold all summer long while allowing you to effortlessly dispense beer in seconds. But which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 Kegerators available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best Kegerators. The 5th product on this list is the HomeCraft Draft Beer Dispenser, calling all craft beer enthusiasts to appreciate both convenience and style. This magnificent creation is the ultimate companion for hosting memorable gatherings with friends and family. With its generous capacity, it can hold a treasure trove of your beloved brews ranging from 1/6 to 1/2 barrels. And let's not forget the stainless steel finish that adds a touch of class to any bar or kitchen setting. Move it around effortlessly thanks to its 4 handy casters. It's like having your very own beer oasis on wheels. But that's not all. This extraordinary Kegerator boasts a powerful cooling system that chills your beer down to a refreshing 32 degrees. Say goodbye to lukewarm disappointment and hello to ice-cold carbonation. Moreover, this unit comes with a 2.5-pound carbon dioxide tank, allowing you to carbonate your beer and keep it delightfully fresh for days. No more flat disappointments. But wait, there's more. The door of this Kegerator is equipped with an interior rubber gasket that ensures optimal cooling while keeping unwanted noise at bay. It's energy efficient too, helping you save on those electricity bills. So not only will your beer be cold and delicious, but your wallet will also thank you. Don't delay any longer. Make room in your home or bar for this full-size wonder and be the envy of all your beer-loving buddies. Its pros are: it is easy to set up and has useful instructions for beginners. It runs quietly and does not make a lot of noise. And it chills to low temperatures that go as low as 32 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it doesn't fit all types of kegs, so you may have trouble with bigger sizes. The HomeCraft Draft Beer Dispenser is great because it is conveniently portable to take anywhere when connected via a standard 5-foot beer tail system. Up next in 4th place is the Frigidaire EFRB200. If you've been on the quest for the ultimate way to serve up ice-cold, refreshing beer, this exquisite stainless steel Kegerator is for you. Prepare to be dazzled by its tempered glass door proudly displaying your collection of frosty brews. Equipped with 2 chrome-plated brass faucets and digital temperature display, it ensures that every sip is enjoyed at the perfect temperature. And with its versatile capacity accommodating 4 different keg sizes, from slim quarter barrels to 6-barrel kegs, you'll never run out of options. Take full control of your beer drinking experience with the temperature control knob, allowing you to tailor the temperature to your exact preference. And fear not, for spills are no match for this Kegerator's included drip tray, conveniently collecting any mishaps and making cleanup an absolute breeze. Even better, the 16 adjustable interior shelves cater to your unique storage needs. Plus, the removable drip trays with grills make cleaning an effortless task. If you hold a deep love for your beer, then having a Kegerator in your very own home is a must. Its pros are: its removable drip tray underneath the tap makes it easy to clean after use. It comes with very heavy-duty caster wheels for easy mobility, and it can fit all common keg sizes, allowing you to enjoy virtually any beverage you'd like. However, it does not have an actual dial to read to set up the temperature. The Frigidaire EFRB200 keeps your beer perfectly chilled and ready to pour without having to leave the house. Still haven't found a Kegerator that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Ivation Dual Tap Beer Kegerator. What could possibly be better than 1 keg of beer? 2 kegs at the same time, of course. Picture this: setting up 1 faucet at a time, connecting them together, and sharing the joy with your cherished friends and family. It's the ultimate beer lover dream come true. Prepare to be astounded by the lightning-fast chilling power of this exceptional dual-tap tower. Your favorite beverages and ice-cold liquids will reach the perfect temperature in no time. And the greatness doesn't end there. This stylish dual-tap tower cooler boasts a generous 3 inches of space below the drip tray and guardrail, allowing you to conveniently accommodate 2 growlers. It's time to embrace the true spirit of sharing and savoring the goodness together. Equipped with a single carbon dioxide cylinder, this cooler has your back. Its internal temperature control ensures that your beer stays at or near your preferred serving temperature for up to 2 weeks, so you can enjoy consistently chilled beer whenever the mood strikes. With a tower height of 15 inches, There's ample clearance to accommodate a variety of beer styles, from lagers and stouts to ales, pilsners, IPAs, and beyond. Whether it's game day, tailgating, or any other occasion where you want to impress with a smooth and refreshing pour, this dual tap tower is your secret weapon. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Embrace the joy of double kegs and elevate your beer drinking experience to new heights. Its pros are: its durable stainless steel finish gives the Kegerator a sleek and modern look that will fit in with any home decor. It has digital temperature controls that make it easy to adjust the temperature to the desired level, and it offers fan force cooling that ensures that the temperature is evenly distributed throughout the Kegerator. However, the included hoses and clamps may need to be replaced for better performance. The Ivation dual tap beer Kegerator is ideal for beer enthusiasts. It's designed to transform your home bar into a brewery quality draft beer system. The second product on this list is the EdgeStar KC1500SS. It's time to shake things up and impress your guests like never before. This model is the epitome of style and functionality, featuring a solid stainless steel guardrail that not only adds a touch of sophistication but also keeps everything secure. Oh, and did we mention the safety lock? Because we take entertaining seriously. This bad boy boasts a forced air-cooled tower, making sure your beer chills in record time. No more waiting around for that perfect icy sip. It's all about instant gratification. And when it comes to cleaning and maintenance, we've got you covered. Thanks to the low-profile decoupler, sliding those kegs in and out is as smooth as a well-poured pint. Cheers to hassle-free cleaning and maintenance. Additionally, prepare to light up your world with interior LED lighting. Say goodbye to fumbling in the dark and hello to a fridge that illuminates your brews like a spotlight. It's a real showstopper, and your drinks deserve nothing less. With professional door handles and a reversible door complete with a safety lock, unauthorized access to your precious beer taps is a thing of the past. It's like Fort Knox for your kegs, but way more fun. Moreover, with the digital thermostat, you have full control of your beer's chilling destiny. Set it anywhere between 32 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and let the wide temperature range work its magic. Last but certainly not least, this double insulated cabinet can hold up to 5 full kegs of your favorite brews. That's right, 5. So go ahead and stock up. It's time to keep the party going all night long while keeping your brews as cool as can be. Grab this unit today and let the good times flow. Its pros are: the stainless steel single tap unit has some helpful features. It has LED lighting and a digital thermostat that makes it easy to adjust the temperature settings. And it has front ventilation and wheels, so it can be installed as a built-in or freestanding unit. However, it is very large, so you'll need a significant amount of storage space for it. The EdgeStar KC1500SS has a large capacity and saves energy through forced air cooling, and has 4 casters that are included for easy mobility. It is the perfect way to get your beer on tap. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top Kegerator is the Kegco MDK-309SS-01. Looking for the ultimate keg dispenser to complete your home brewery setup? Look no further, because you've stumbled upon the holy grail of Kegerators. First of all, this keg dispenser is all about versatility. With a reversible door and removable guardrail, it's designed to accommodate various keg sizes and types. No matter what kegs you have on hand, this dispenser has got you covered. But it doesn't stop there. Prepare to be impressed by the convenient digital control panel that offers manual temperature adjustment. You have full control over keeping your beverage perfectly chilled and irresistibly fresh. And to top it off, the carbon dioxide tank attaches easily right at the door, ensuring hassle-free accessibility. It also boasts an easily accessible digital LED display and a high-efficiency cooling unit with built-in controls. Plus, with a removable guardrail and a reversible door on either side of the countertop, it adapts to your space and preferences seamlessly. What's more, just look inside and marvel at the premium-grade stainless steel interior. It's built to last and exudes a sense of quality craftsmanship. Every fitting, hose, and coupling is meticulously chosen to ensure your kegs are on tap and ready to go in no time. And the integrated drip tray keeps the area below the kegs clean and tidy. Say goodbye to messy spills and hello to a pristine brewing environment. With the capacity to hold 1 full-size keg or 2 5-quart balls, this keg dispenser offers ample room to quench your thirst for delicious brews. And the temperature range? It's a generous 32 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to create and enjoy your beer just the way you like it. Whether you're a seasoned beer connoisseur or a budding home brew enthusiast, this Kegerator is designed to make your brewing journey a breeze. Embrace the joy of crafting and savoring your own great beer. Cheers to unforgettable brews and countless moments of pure brewing bliss. Its pros are: it's the all-in-one package, not only a storage fridge, but it has already been converted to a kegerator. It has a wide temperature range that can be set anywhere from 32 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It's dual-head faucet to pour 2 different beers, and it fits a full-size keg and is also compatible with most other beer keg styles. However, its directions are not clear, making it not easy to set up if you don't know what you're doing. The Kegco MDK-309SS-01 is the ultimate solution for home refrigeration and dispensing. Ideal for any craft beer connoisseur who wants to serve up their delicious ice-cold homemade brew to family and friends. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.